Hey guys, in this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to make a little leaf crown for your plushies to give them a little extra whimsical touch. For this tutorial today I'm going to be using Big Twist Baby Bear yarn with a 4mm hook. So you're going to go ahead and start by making a slip knot. And then you're going to chain 6. Now you're going to slip stitch in the next 2 stitches from your hook. And that's our first little leaf. Now we're going to chain 6 again. And then you're going to slip stitch in the second chain from your hook. And this time, instead of slip stitching in the next in the next chain, you're going to kind of flip your piece and slip stitch into the bottom of the chain rather than the top loop. And then slip stitch. And that's how we're gonna make kind of a staggered leaf effect there. So we're just gonna repeat this process. So chain another 6, slip stitch in the second chain from hook, and then in the next chain, then chain another 6, slip stitch in the second chain from hook, and then flip your piece and slip stitch in the bottom of the next chain. Then repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch 2 in the top of the chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch in the top. Then flip it over and slip stitch in the bottom. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 more leaves. And it can be a little tricky to get that bottom one, but just don't give up. And I found that flipping the piece does really help make it a little bit easier. I just feel like the yarn naturally doesn't want to do that, so you just kind of have to do what you can. All right. So I'm happy with this length. If you have a plushie in mind that you're gonna put it on, you can go ahead and kind of make sure that it's gonna fit the right way. And you can always make it longer or you can make it shorter. But once we're done, we're just gonna go ahead and make sure it's not twisted. So go ahead and lay it out in the way that it will look like that. And then we're going to bring it around and slip stitch into the very first chain that we made. So now that all the crocheting is done, we're gonna go ahead and cut our yarn. Pull that tail through and pull it tight so it's secure. and then go ahead and weave in your yarn ends. Take your plushie and put it over the ears if it has ears, and put it to where you like it on the head. And kind of position the leaves to where you like them. And there you have it. That's how you make a little leaf crown